to the wedding? That postponed completely?
Yeah.
All you have to do was that.
No, oh, hey, what I know? You can't say something?
Yeah.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless up. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if I your first time and like. Yeah, man, people. So remember, Rose an expert did forget married from them time. They and all know. They could have looked till you. I them jump out, but in other video, yeah, it talk about everything. This is one of the best life them ever go in a long while. I'm not gonna tell you lie. You see me, guys? Yeah, man, so you can see where I go and every question get answered.
Yeah, man, just share the life, peoples. Yo, show your face to my youth. Man, I'm showing a face, man. I'm them my youth. I'm them, man. I got to my point, man. Wait, voice to the youth. Hey, boy, you're going on. I'm doing it. Yeah, so take it, man. Yo, take it, boy. You can't do it, boy. Let's take it, boy. Take the problem, man. I go on and on. Got to make his name. Just got to show it up. He's dancing on me. And you're trying to run. No, I bet I'll say, no, I keep it up. Yeah, turn this aside. What do it? Oh, good.
Headshot now. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, good night. You can't show your face.
Hello?
You can't show your face.
No, they can't give us little food in this. They can't get little food before they put her on live and this is she hungry.
Oh, you're not going to say no?
Expert on Rose.
Yes.
Warm. Morning, big up on yourself. Happy New Year.
Them to you. Them to you.
Alright. Expert me want the next lyrics of the tune. Other than give me a breeze, give me a ease. Give me a next line.
Now, we have one more video picture, so you're going to see same way with it.
The video? But you can't give me a next line?
With the same video? Yeah, man, they do that.
Rose want me, you good?
Yeah, man, safari now.
Okay. Rose.
They put my black and freestyle as usual, you know?
Yeah, freestyle, but me I tell you if you give me a next line and you're not giving me a line, so yeah, freestyle.
No, today is Wednesday. Freestyle Wednesday.
Chug box side.
Ay.
I love when I man. Me love you. Bless up on yourself. So expert. Want to the wedding. That postponed completely.
Yeah.
All you have to do was that.
No, hey, what I know? You can't say something?
Yeah.
She has 2 kids, right? Maybe kids them come first.
What do you mean making kids them come first? No, you're going to go in at the blend and you're going to become one union.
Listen up. Remember say kids them go school no one go Malta Verna and one go Spot Valley no.
Remember say what?
She have 2 kids, one go Spot Valley and one go Malta Verna. That's why we now put no out of the rich, the kids them in it.
That not make no sense, expert.
You know,
But if your sister still.
Remember say when the mother sickly, how go responsibility if them.
Now you name husband.
Hello.
You name husband.
Oi, this ring popping. Look, this ring popping yet? No.
That's why you don't want to marry her because you don't want to take up her responsibilities.
Hello. When they see him, nobody will know him. Answer my question. Nobody will know him when they see him with Sandokan.
But expert. Me know Rose before me know you.
You know
Rose, me did not hear about Rose before me hear about expert, so what you say nobody did know him.
you know what? Oi, right now if you were in a road shoes, you don't chat anything you say. That me tell you. Right now you need one page. You need one page out of my book. Take one page out of my book and
Chug, no. Look at a man expert, nobody with me. Me no want a page out of your book. Not even a line me no want off of the page. But bless up yourself. Bless.
hello, I don't go social media where we can see him. Check out all I posted him. Before start this, Quarter Friday. Wacky Wednesday. Ask video scrappy. Marvin and the whole network.
Alright, boss.
Means to go
Alright,
party.
boss. Yes, boss. So, Rose, you don't sit down over the star look so.
Because you know that's true.
Aye.
You can't
So,
say
an expert make you famous. You see, oh, yeah, blush, Rose. Yeah, blush, man.
I'll put a picture of go to the gas station. You see, what I'm talking about? We're not chatting, man. You see picture of go to the gas station?
Yes, the expert.
Yes. Post picture of go to the gas station. If you need a picture, the woman can make Sandokan in a picture there.
Alright, expert, I want to send a little thing. All the funding part going off the cash pot. You know cash pot.
Oh, Jesus.
Me can send in some funds. Who me contact for that? Huh?
Dear mate.
We don't have no cash up or nothing like that.
No, that's what I said. Dear mate.
Huh?
Dear
DM?
mate. Yeah.
Okay. DM it? Woman for DM.
Yeah.
Me have to go link on the after here to find out about that. Alright. Rosa expert. Bless up on yourself, yes?
Big up yourself, my friend.
No, Mr. Bless up yourself, Rose.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just give me a ease, Let me get some breeze. Get some breeze. Breeze. Yeah, we say we keep it at you. Good morning, nosy neighbors. How do you do? Good morning, nosy neighbors. How do you do? somebody take them and come put you in here. Nosy neighbor, good morning. How do you do? Good morning, nosy neighbor. How do you do? Nosy neighbor, oh, good morning. How do you do? Yeah, I went to medicine and I said anything go. She like people. Nobody, if you don't have nothing good, she said, nobody come for me like go say nothing. Negative, yes, me I say a positive, me say. Right now, if you don't have nothing good, she say, I go block and delete some more now. Me not hide and talk. Yeah, peoples. Check in, you know. She like peoples. Let's see if we're going to jump in on there. It's a 2020, see it's so clear. I'm mile away, I'm grinding.
You want to pick up on yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, one not go on with.
When's the medicine?
Rose, I'm not hear you.
My dear man.
Yeah, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one not
Yes.
go on with. I'm not see no ring or nothing pan on no hand.
I'm not ready yet to be married.
What make you not ready?
No, sir.
Expert.
Yo, I
You
bring
know,
out.
put on the ring.
Yeah, if I'm making kids, them come first, youth.
Eh.
Now everything, and kids, them make come
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, that good still. Yeah, man, don't go and pick up on yourself, man. I'm not doing nothing.
That's all I can offer it, that.
Eh?
That's all I can offer it.
Yeah, Toronto.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, man. You should go back to it. Eh?
You know, when you look at to me, look at the face, but I almost look at I said, when you make back, remind me, I put it on. I almost look like I realize what. Yo, big up on the world, safety, I'm a friend.
Yeah, man, pick up yourself. Rose, pick up yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, people, share the life, you know, if you have nothing to say now. You know anything going on. When's the meds, you know? How's the neighbor? You call him nosy neighbor and come up. That's what I say, nosy neighbor. You see, I say nosy neighbor and come up.
What the
First,
Hi, good morning.
and we are called nosy neighbor, and I are telling people if you add. No, what I know? Well, lady me chat to while ago. You know, if you know, in a house dark, that's why we say nosy neighbor. Me say someone. Please don't get this thing wrong. Okay. I want to ask you, see. I make it up, because I don't want your face to with me, you know. Well, I want to ask you. Just say, the lady asks you, say, so you say you don't want to marry to Rose as yet, right? And you say you put your kids them before. What, I will call them with him. I fear kids them. No more kids. Oh, so basically I say if you're married, you know, basically I say if you're single like no, we're not married, so you're not really care about the kids. I play my part, no, but listen, the kids them come first. You know, everything, you put the kids them first. We all understand that. You know, everything, kids them have to come first. But alright, we let us alone because we're not ready for married yet. Get me? Both of you, we don't ready for married. The ring thing not ready soon because Oh,
You hungry and same way.
listen,
You not that one not work.
Listen, what? Excuse you?
Yeah, work.
Boy, I'm going to come in every day, Aaron.
For your work?
Yes.
How much money you get? Or you get for a fortnight or a month or a week? Fortnight?
Yes.
Much you get a fortnight?
What are it? May I ask you how much money you work? We are going to have details.
No, me I ask you. I only pay for what money you get, you know. So me I ask you.
Hello, me must have my daddy to take care of too.
Okay,
And
so you have
me and my father to take care of too. Right now, the picture I put up with me and my father. Father prostate cancer. Next week Wednesday, my care before I go to the hospital. Not today Wednesday, next week Wednesday.
So alright, you take care of yourself, you know? You take care of yourself. You take care of yourself from Rose.
Hello, when woman got about the business, people not
Listen, you know? Everybody take care of them parents and themselves, but you not take care of Rose. To all your talk, your uncle use Rose.
Oi, you need to tell me talk by the money, talk by cigarette and rum. Like, you food deli? No. Let me get ignorant.
But if you want married to Rose, you have a sister Rose, alright, and make sure Rose stop them foolishness there.
What time me talk to him? Me sit down to him like a sister and brother. Because she 1 year come together.
Ask Rose, you want to go play for your snuffer?
He knows that true.
Rose.
He can't say no. He can't say nobody. He knows
Rose.
Check
Well,
him
you
for
know,
one.
Rose, you know say people, you know say Rose will love. Are you will love in a Rose? Are you will love in a expert, you know? Are you will love?
Never say no. I will
You make expert a fool, you not control you. Expert, you're too ignorant. Me not like talk to you is a big lion expert. So you need to stop you expert. You're controlling. And you use Rose a lot, you need to stop it.
Alright, move from outside the Rose, I'll make you tell Rose what if you tell him. I move from outside, I'll make him chat me, he said.
No, we are two hours, we are talking, you order, so you are getting fast.
Chat him,
Rose.
Yeah.
Why are you using money at smoke on and drink rum boat? In Rose?
Yeah?
Why you smoke and a drink with the money? Listen to me, Rose, I talk listen to expert. Listen to me. When me come to Jamaica, I come look for you, you know. Me never go you never see you, you use that me, you know.
No, Franca made a red girl.
Yeah, Franca.
Yes, a Blanca made it.
Okay. So you live with expert now?
Yeah.
Oh, so where your kids then they now?
See them
With their father?
with my mother.
Oh, with your mother?
Yeah.
Okay. So if they which for your mother, that's why expert now married to you. What matter when I put kids first? Expert is a book rock bat. Instead you get money, when you get money, me include me and say we, not say from people. Cause when time we send money come give you, stop give expert the money. Cause expert don't go want you when time you have money, when people send money come give you. And I tell you like if a cigarette are your comfort, and if a rum are your comfort, you must use do whatever you want, but you don't do it over the limit. You
Yes.
understand?
Yeah.
Let me ask you one question. You're working?
No.
How much money, you have an idea of how much money you ever get from overall from the whole media thing starts with you?
Then listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
God then tell me fears. Get money after it and give me none. Where effort?
Your PH?
Yes, me fears
Okay.
when I make. They only make it use it and get money after it. When I get money after it, and then you the bill, then none give me none. Yes, I get that.
Who do that?
The people them.
Oh, so well, cause me never said to you say, whoever manage you, when them send money come here, tell every bill a little star give you, so you can sell something. What a bag
they look for me and say, boy, I'm not gonna make me government be making feel good. Now get no hotel money. I don't know what that money they go. Cause when them build their house, that them said one living in it, you know. Me not get no. But then time me pay at 2 time, me not get no for them.
So Rose, what you say now?
Me not me oil. But then they take my picture, me say, look here, don't no picture free car walk. You're not gonna take my picture out, no never till at night. Me not eating nobody. No, and the first talking go. You got
So you have a specific person who you can pinpoint and say them do that to you. Take the money and make house. Man, the house about this you talk about in Rose.
and I'm Mr. Nah, it's a big joke.
No, Rose, I'm not.
It's a big joke.
No, Rose, me just have to say, man, the house they want to make.
No, not this house here.
Okay,
No.
okay.
No.
So,
Me not at this house here.
so tell me one somebody will do it. Tell me one somebody will do it.
Where was Mr. Name, man? Eh? Around. I take the second car, but you come around mind around this side there, can you get me clear? Nothing not me again.
One girl.
Oh, I'm telling me clear that send you now to eat. Tell me Lord that alone.
Oh, let's celebrate.
I want to get more me. After see me one.
You want to go and go to your manager?
My place alone, I'm not the problem here. Tell me I make sure to make care get my clear that talk funny me and not to me serious. I'm not joking to me the fun. You're not joking to they need to talk that. They need to talk.
Talk about it, talk about it. Rose, talk about your idiot. They're bad over.
No, but no, they
listen to me.
do that.
It needs money. You get?
Yeah.
Whoever manage you, because people can't get to go and send money to people just like that. Tell them so you want to start. You want to raise Caesar some chicken. They can start you with 125 chicken. Or you want to start to make up and sell fan, back juice, back strings, whatever. Or everybody you some slippers and you go walk and sell them. Because get up every day have people on social media. I use you and have Expert and Rose and nothing and come out and you almost young and look and then give you one box food and tomorrow morning you're hungry. That don't make no sense. Even though you're kind of sick in your head, you need to tell them so you want to do something. Or you come out to the media by yourself and tell the media say you want somebody make one stall for you because the most you can do we always have your little cigarette and your little rum money and buy your little pad and then little something that when you see your period nobody don't know and when you're hungry nobody don't know you want your daughter your son something nobody don't know. Tell the media just like when you did a lava show you tell the media say you want one stall. Don't tell nobody about you want one bed, you want a fridge, you want and when you get fridge and bed I know you to benefit them I take it. You get what year, you die your mother yard. And let people take your care of our dance and put on some fuck upon you. So you could close by and say, we are going to party. They might use you, you're a big woman, you need to stop them something there. Anybody, nobody come to you and say, we are going to one party and make effort and jam back at you. To them want to be papi show. You know, so up. Me not go answer you, me not want to put it away there. Put the Rose, me a talk to, because effort, me not want to talk to you. Yeah, me a try to make Rose a woman. You get me as a Rose and me not send them combo, me a give you for them take it. Because me have to work hard. Yeah. You understand what me a say? But what me a say, everybody a say, you, me we know effort and rare. You shouldn't even sit down every day or every morning and look something. And at the end of the day when they hang up, you don't know, all they get out of your one back school. And everywhere put on two piece of cheap clothes, man, you know where you get them from. Buy you, and then mad up your head, and you're gonna party back at them and some big sitting that foolishness. You understand? Me know say, you're not so good pan up teeth, wash your face, and you get a shower, and you sit down on your yard gate with your igloo and your biscuit, and you suck on them and sell. Just even in a one nice area where you know, so the rotten of this and that, and I want me and them and take them over. But you need to come off of social media with the whole drama. You're a big woman and you don't need that. You get the message? Because we like you and you reach far, you know. But you make same people bring you down. I can't have people realize that you're an idiot and stop your money. Because when we realize, say, we are send money for a foreign country, and people it a benefit. You need some money, you monitor yourself, but you can't do it because you're not writing. You know, having friends, you got to do certain stuff. Look past Sandokan. People that think Sandokan fool. But Sandokan come out, because you put Sandokan on the map, you know. You make it. But, and then Sandokan gone. But you Sandokan want TV and fridge and stove. Sandokan hold on to the crowd and come with dumpling eating and beer eating and drinking. Sandokan don't make nobody control the thing. Sandokan in a them back pee. You have to do what you really have to do is don't suffer. The next time I'm going to send money for you, I'm going to tell you, say, I'm going to go buy a perk page, because I'm come to Jamaica pretty soon. I'm drive, come and see them, come look for you. Because I'm going to give nobody my hard working money. I'm going to them blood clots up there. You get what I say? So, me I go make you get a little thing, and what me I go make you get, me not make nobody monitor you. Me I make my family or one of my good friends find you, and I start to say me I go bill you, or me I start adapt my money I go in. It post me get some cheap dollar clothes up here. Going at the cheap store, they go buy some cheap blouse, $1 blouse, $2 blouse, and pack one little bag and give me to sit down and sell them. I never send the money come, me make my family care, come give you 120,000. Go on wholesale and buy some sitting and make you sit down in your yard and sell them. Now I send my money come give people away, I take it and give you one box to that normal company media beg again. Get what me I say? As a big woman, you have how much Rose?
I don't remember.
Rose.
Yeah?
Yeah, how much?
I don't.
Okay, that's embarrassing. I'm sorry to ask you that. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm very sorry. What month you born?
December.
What date?
I don't remember. But I remember
Rose. Rose, I mean, I want to laugh, God, it's not right. Rose,
Yeah.
you don't remember?
No. The girl got you.
So your birthday gone with you, you don't remember? Rose, me see Rose, I mean, I laugh. December gone, come here, man. You definitely need some help, you know. I think we have to go try to find out one Jamal class or something for you. Let me know how you feel bad, okay?
Yeah.
I don't want you to feel bad. Come here, come closer. It's not funny, and we don't want you to feel bad. You hear me? Yeah. You know say about December, but you remember what date? So your mother, if you ask your mother, she will tell you. Eh? If you ask your mother, you think she will be able to tell you when you're born? Yeah. What you going to do? You go ask your mother, and make your mother write it down on a piece of paper. You walk with it where you go. Here? And you study when you're born. Because Rose, me can't start business here and so that means you can't count money. That's why they might take your money. The most help what I would do for you right now is try to get a class, a person who interested and have them to get you to a Jamal. Get you, you can spell the name? Can I spell the name, right? You sure? Yes. I mean, I'm going to tell you if you spell it, because I'm not laugh for you. May I go try to get somebody, or if you know somebody willing to help you, because you don't have a phone where me can send me that do it virtual with you. If you have you just know little words, spell your name, you know your date of birth, you learn to spell your kids' them name, them look something there. You don't have to go through the whole big thing. So you need to focus on them something there. That's why I tell you people who don't have man to go be. Why use people, it will fall back from Uno. Because anyway, me not embarrass Rose because a lot of people never know that. So that's why you lady was saying me embarrass Rose. Me not embarrass Rose because me that embarrass Rose would have laughed about this. Would have say, okay, because a lot of people would have believed, say, Rose, nobody in born and Rose can't spell name. They don't know, say they have Rose, I use Rose. You get to me, I say? So if they know all them money they would them get and I use it, woman, they know he can't read. So all them enough of them double could do a take up the woman in hand and say we are sending her one Jamal class. Cause Jamal I don't know. Enough people got Jamal go take up the woman and make the woman learn to read. If I even name, they can't say Rose, this is your name. This is your name, yes sir. This is when you're born. People I use the woman. Get up every day, I use the woman. I effort that you effort what you put it on him, let me cuss out him pussy. Why in there? Effort. Let me ask you this. You love Rose? If the bombers love him, would I put him in a music so? I'm not going to give me the attitude that you make it up there and put it back burn Rose. I'm not going to give me the attitude. Because I say for your whole thing, effort, you're up on a whole hypeness and it don't work like that. It don't work like that. If you love somebody, you love them for them. Nobody not talk about a marriage and this and that, but watch ya. You know say, listen up, you know say, she not good on the brain part. You cannot have the more sense than Rose. Listen, let me chat now, man. Listen me now, let me talk and then you talk. Let me talk and then you talk. Baby, the people are offering send money for it. We not get it. I don't know if you look into. Me not talk about no money. We not get it. I'm not talking about any money. Me not talk about the money. You, sir, put the camera back for airport good. Me not talk about the money. Me not talk about the money now. Rest the money part a little bit. Because maybe somebody will come out now and say, okay, they can do a helping hand. Get me? But me I ask you, you say you love her, you have her around you, etc. You know she can't read that much. Your responsibility is take her up in hand and say, Rose, you learn to spell her name. Teach Rose to spell her name so when you know it. When he see when he date birth, when his birthday come, he can't say, tell her my birthday. Hello. And that's what you need to do. You just in the money effort. Put it forth for effort, sir. Listen what I said, man. And stop one. You know, listen what I said to you. Me are listening. Me say we have one Jamal class of Blanca. Him no want come. That upper center up so, upper road so. This is the center. He no want come. That before Corona come in. He no want come. I'm not going to speak like I have a problem. He no want come no way. So you're not people
That's
to
so
come.
free. Anybody can go and learn. He no want come. And before even Corona come in, he no want come see me. And when Corona come now, you want come? No.
Let me talk to
No
Rose.
come before Corona come in. Me no care. Who the on the level want come? Me no care.
So you're more interested in our money.
1992, me no care. I'm born the 2nd November 1992, a Summiton.
I know where you're born. I see where
Yes.
you're going, so.
Good.
All right.
Kind of, but do not get me out.
Put your phone by you. Can you wall me I see?
Oh, me?
Rose, you love laugh. Oh, me can have the Jamal class, Rose.
Before Corona come in, me invite you. Me even, me and my friend even ask you, say, oh, come on, man.
Rose. The internet will get bad.
So
So
careful.
what? So what?
Careful.
So what?
Careful.
Watch him now.
Don't say no, we share it away.
Rose, Emperor, Rose.
Yeah?
What me can I go to the Jamal class?
We don't let the people them then somebody interfere with me.
Just ignore them.
But you know, people in the there, but you want to learn to read.
Alright.
I'm going to because you want to learn. Remember, say, all I want, if people don't want to go to the Jamal class, then don't school, that's why they might go. So all they have to say, listen to me. You all are here because we're in the same boat. We are in the same position. What are we done? And cuss them. And that you have to tell them, say, because you want to learn to read. Let me try to still and study your birthday.
Boy.
So, Rose, you have breakfast yet?
Yeah?
We have.
Conflict with lacquer. With
Okay.
sugar.
And what?
What you want? What you want?
Conflict, lacquer, sugar.
Sugar and Lasco?
Yeah. With
Oh, yeah.
conflict.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, breakfast early, man, Rose.
Yeah.
So, you're going to eat for dinner, you don't know yet.
Me no know.
You cook or Rose cook?
What?
Are you cook or that mad one, yeah? Are you cook or April or Rose?
Want to be two of them?
Are you cook? Yeah, cook for you. Hey, April, but April, I whisper something in your ears. Come here, April. Come on, black, no. You know, so you're retarded too.
Retarded. After me, I don't handicap. Me, I don't handicap.
April!
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Put it back, April. Catch up, Dave. Come on, boss. Come on, side you.
You love the trouble.
Me love you, no Rose. Me love you.
Alright, you
Me
love
love you, no Rose. Me I come look for you when me forward. Me I carry something for you, yeah? No, that's not me say. Me I tell you. So me I come see you. Expert. Every time to get this boss.
I saw them people that